Hello everybody, my name is Christina Torres and this is my presentation on Texas and in-task standards. So the Texas standard I was assigned was standard 2.7K, and that is how to organize student groups to facilitate cooperation and productivity. This means a teacher understands how to create groups that will not only consist of children who work well together but also thrive together to accomplish certain tasks. In INTA Standard 7B, the teacher plans how to achieve each student's learning goal, choosing appropriate strategies and accommodations, resources, and materials to differentiate instruction for individuals and groups of learners. The way these two connect are the teacher understands what type of learning group is being used and the effectiveness in its learning outcome. Effective teachers use more than one type of learning group, such as learning cycles in which students with the same learning goal are brought together for a short time, cooperative groups which require students with diverse skills and characteristics to engage to accomplish a specific goal, and more. Every student has unique qualities to bring to a group in which they can all equally apply towards the group task. When planning groups, it is important to ensure equal participation among group members. A mixture of students with different ability levels promotes helping behavior in a group. The teacher ensures all necessities for groups are made, students understand their roles, and everyone is gaining knowledge. Making sure the distribution of work, what each student's role and responsibility is very clear to everyone, and how to organize their work is also very important. A practical example when I've seen this standard applied is when I saw students investigate how organisms and populations in an ecosystem depend on and may compete for biotic factors such as food and abiotic factors such as quality of light, water, range of temperature, and soil composition. The teacher provided the instructions, material, and goal of the lesson and learning outcome. The teacher chose appropriate strategies by staying within their learning abilities. The teacher assigned group members based on abilities and performance to ensure students can work together and learn from one another as well as accomplish assignment. The teacher ensured the students are learning the lesson by breaking down the task and providing all the necessary materials. She had provided the animals to investigate and the learning and group expectations. She provided the Play-Doh to create the ecosystem and explained the directions in such a way that each student understood they had a task to complete to contribute to the group's overall project. Now you may be wondering how to remember these standards. Well, we can use the acronym SLIDE. S is for small groups. For the most effective learning outcomes, students should be placed in smaller groups. Typically, 4 to 5 members works best because large groups decrease opportunity for participation. L is for learning outcome, ensuring learning goals are being reached and there is consistently something to gain from the experience. I is for instruction. By giving clear instructions, students understand the task at hand in order to reach full potential and achievement. D is for diverse. Assigning groups intentionally based on skill and background is important. Doing this makes sure that nobody is doing more work than the other, and also by creating diverse groups, it brings people together that typically wouldn't have interacted otherwise. And E is for equal participation. You can ensure equal participation by setting a plan beforehand. Assigning roles and responsibilities to encourage equal participation is important. And in the end, possibly peer evaluation can motivate others to participate and equally contribute.